guys, so in today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to personalize your Capri Sun labels that you purchase from my store. So after your purchase, you will receive a link that's going to take you directly to canva.com, and if you don't have a free account already, you will have to create one. If you already have an account, you will simply log into your account. Once your labels pull up, you will be able to click on the editable text and start typing in your own personalized text. You just highlight everything and you can start typing. So, okay, now if you want to change the color of this text, you will go up to the color tab and we can make this a different color. Okay, now you can do this for each of the labels. You can go in and type in the same thing, or you can delete the sample text. You can go to your personalized text and duplicate that and just move it over. So you will continue to do this for the remainder two labels. After you're done, you will go up to the download tab and you will download your files. You will save it as a PDF and you will download, and from there you can print out your labels. With the Capri Sun labels, it's best to print them on the glossy sticker paper. You can either purchase the waterproof or weatherproof. That way if the labels get wet, the ink would not mess up on you. Or you can print them out just on regular photo paper if you don't plan on putting them down in ice. That will work just fine. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you purchase your labels from my Etsy shop, you can send me a message over on Etsy. If you purchase your labels on my website, you can send me an email. Alright guys, if you have any additional questions, drop them down in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.